My name is Wen Hao Fu, and today's my topic is comparative analysis of eating our way to extinction and the conspiracy, the sustainability secret. Conspiracy, the sustainability secret, and eating our way to extinction are two natural themed and environmental friendly documentaries which were produced in 2014 and 2021 respectively. While they seem to share similar themes, this short presentation aims to compare them and underline key issues like animal agriculture, environmental crisis, and global citizens' responsibility. To begin with conspiracy, the sustainability secret differs from eating our way to extinction in terms of specific forms of animal agriculture. Conspiracy, the sustainability secret mostly focus on animal agriculture on land, while eating our way to extinction also criticize human beings, overfishing and other practices to exhaust resources on the earth. An alarming fact revolved in conspiracies. The sustainability secret is that the stock raising in the United States alone consumed 34 trillion gallons of water each year, and its methane emissions equal those emitted by natural gas and oil production. These facts and figures confirm that animal agriculture and stock raising in particular is a conductive factor to environmental degradation and global warming. In comparison, eating our way to extinction conduct a more comprehensive analysis and evolution. It not only focuses on stock breeding on land, but also casts light on animal agriculture's negative influence on marine ecosystem. Scientists found aquaculture and overfishing have a result in the coastline of wear and tear, as showcased by evidence from the Gulf of Mexico. The brief comparison and contrast stressed the two documentaries differ slightly in terms of specific forms of animal agriculture they discuss. Regardless of the slight difference mentioned above, both documentaries similarly criticize animal agriculture as a major cause of environmental crisis. Conspiracies, the sustainability secret, denounces animal agriculture as a major source of a greenhouse gas emission and a horrible cause of environmental pollution. A strong evidence decisis in the documentary is animal husbandry's water footprints, which is greater than any other human activities on the earth. The criticize provide a new insight into animal economy as a usually neglected cause of environmental crisis on this globe. It warns audience that animal agriculture is a threat to sustainable development of the human society and even to survival of this planet. Similarly, eating our way to extinction attributes various forms of environmental problems to animal agriculture, including deforestation, marine ecosystem collapse, water and the air pollution, and global warming. As both documentaries attached great importance to sustainability and reject animal economy as a destructive production system, they echo with the Confucian naturalist cosmology, which emphasized the fusion of natural emotions and the mid-heart combination. The documentaries provide a clear understanding about how animal economy destroys the balance between humans, non-human animals, and nature in simplified terms. Both documentaries conduct a critical evaluation of a negative influence of animal agriculture. Another similarity between conspiracy, the sustainability secret, and eating our way to extinction is that they both resonate with a new Confucian concept of moral responsibilities and a call for global citizens' ethical decision making. On the one hand, both documentaries emphasize human being moral responsibility to the natural world. According to Will Anderson, an interview in Conspiracy, The Sustainability Secret, and the director of Greenpeace USA, animal agriculture is the problem and food choice are important. Therefore, the documentary generates a sense of urgency for global citizens to undertake their responsibility and get rid of overconsumption of meat. On the other hand, both documentaries advocated that the human societies should replace their meat-based diet with plant-based diet. A strong argument highlighted in Eating Our Way to Extinction is that the human diet has been taking them to be an abyss. Therefore, a plant-based diet is highly recommended. In more detailed words, replacing a meat-based diet can not only save those poor animals, but also minimize the animal economy's negative influence on the natural, the whole planet and future generation with a futurist thinking. Both documentaries making a strong appeal for global citizens to make ethical food choices in their everyday life and make rational self-sacrifice to some extent. All in all, Conspiracy, The Sustainability Secret, and Eating Our Way to Extinction are two informative and enlightening documentaries about human nature, coexistence, and environmental protection. While they are slightly different from each other, they similarly cast light on the adverse influence of animal agriculture and motivate global citizens to undertake responsibilities. They make a strong appeal for global citizens to replace their meat-based diet with plant-based diet, so as to pursue environment sustainability and ensure survival of current or future generations. As both documentaries connected to the Confucian views of nature to some extent, further discussion is necessary to figure out how Confucianism can get environmental friendly action such as a change of diet. Thank you for listening.